big population of a country is exposed to this deadly disease. Like Twinkle had just mentioned, has reached alarming proportions in our country, amounts to more than 35% of all body cancers. His single agencies who should support this body. And we should have committed to controlling the menace,
A very warm welcome that was from Lieutenant General Paramjit Prosthetics, D.Y. Patil, to present these flowers. May I request our guest of honor, Ms. Mirza, to accept this bouquet as a token of love and appreciation at the hands of Dr. Bhakti Agaskar. We'd also like to welcome with flowers our chief speaker today, Dr. at the John Hopkins Medical Center. May I request Dr. Deshmukh from BVP, HOD, for that stimulating address. I'm sure Dr. Patil will consider the suggestion. May I request you, ma'am, to please address the gathering.
A very good morning to all of you present here. Good morning, dignitaries. I mentioned to someone yesterday that I've been attending this function this morning, and this person turned around and said, "And what are you going to do there?" And I said, well, it really depends on what they want me to do. And when Dr. Zara Hussaini called me and mentioned to me that she would like me to be present here, I said, I need more information. Send me as much data as you can on oral cancer. Give me statistics, give me numbers. I need lakhs of people out there. Don't even... I'm here to pledge my support and to promise you all that I will help you in whatever way possible to spread awareness among society. And it's not just about awareness amongst celebrities, but it's awareness amongst the youth, children, and grown-up adults who don't really know enough and need to be told a lot more. The statistics are frightening, very, very alarming, but I know that now that you've all come together and with such amazing dedication, we will make a difference. Mahatma Gandhi said something very, very, very amazing and something I've always believed in. He said, be the change you want to see in others. So if you do want to see change, we need to be that change. And I do hope that I can be a part of a tremendous change. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you, ma'am, for your support. As we all know, lighting of the lamp, like a prayer, is essential to add sanctity to this magnificent occasion. Thank you, sir. We hope this light will lead the way, will light the path of awareness and selflessness, and motivate more and more people to come forward and support this noble cause. To commemorate this occasion, may I also request all the other dignitaries present up here to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we conclude this phase of our program. I, Dr. Twinkle Sangvi, thank you very much for your warm presence and for making this occasion a grand success. We shall
all of you. Mukul. Yeah, look here, all of you. Mukul. All of you, all of you.
Sunday today, especially the golden words of Dr. D.Y. Patil. हम जानना चाहेंगे सेलिब्रिटी दिया मिर्जा खुद डिवाइन बैंक ह्यूमन बैंक पे कितना ध्यान देती है?
वेल इतना ध्यान देती हूँ कि आज मेरी मौजूदगी आपने यहाँ पे महसूस की। मुझे लगता है कि लोगों के काम आना, लोगों के लिए कुछ करना किसी भी बैंक बैलेंस से बहुत बढ़कर है। And I always feel richer and more enriched every time I feel that I can make a difference and be of help to people.
So you're taking this association, this foundation, Raj Kulai, oral cancer, a bit late, but nevertheless. So what do you have to?
You know, it's really sad that there are many such facts that are still remain hidden within the country. Statistics are available to the dozen on the internet. There are lakhs and lakhs of documented information on health-related issues in the country, education-related issues in the country. Very few people within the country, apart from people primarily related to those fields, are aware of the statistics, the damage, the extent of damage, and what can be done. And I do hope that many more foundations like this are created and people are made aware of the extent of damage and are given a reasonable education in these spheres so that we can actually make a difference and change the numbers.
Now that you are the brand ambassador, how are you going to manage your profession and also your contribution to this?
Well, I've always said that when you have the intention and you really want to make a difference, there's always time. And my participation and association with this will be up to creating public service messages, giving a voice to the foundation, being there to bring the foundation forward to the people and to create an awareness within the people. And I hope that you will help us too.
Apart from this, have you been associated with any social cause or are you into?
Well, I have worked with quite a few people and I've noticed, and in fact that's one of my main concerns. There are lots of foundations that approach celebrities, invite them to functions, felicitate them, get them to speak, but it's always a one-off thing. And I do hope that such events are not scattered. There's a follow-up on things like this, because when you truly want to help, there's very poor follow-up on most occasions. And I do hope that this time round, this is followed up well and we actually make a difference, and I feel truly fulfilled.
Like what Dr. D.Y. Patil had said, like if you have an aim to become reach the stars, you will. So what's your aim?
Well, thought creates reality. You know, the universe exists because we can perceive it. And I think that if every individual believes that whatever it may want, if they truly believe in it and think about it enough, it will happen.
आप कितने spiritual हैं दिया?
I think I'm entirely spiritual. I wouldn't consider myself religious at all. And I follow the art of living. I meditate. I am spiritual.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Dr. Deepak Mujala, he is the president. Next year he is going to our Indian University. So during his tenure again.
Hi, this is Diya Mirza. Don't go anywhere. B News will be right back. Thank you. One more. Hi, this is Diya Mirza. Okay. Hi, this is Diya Mirza. Don't go anywhere. B News will be right back. Thank you. I'm
Okay.
Huh?
Bye.
Hello. Dr. Ma. Really nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And I just wanted to tell you that there are a lot of different diseases and a lot of different causes you can get involved with. That's the rest of the program.
That's what I'm going
That's
to
what
do. Thank you. Whatever you require.
Excuse me, ma'am. Will you give me one scan?
They are calling you in the back
Thank you.
office for the
शूटिंग कब से कर रही हैं आप?
सर मैं 3 तारीख से गोवा में शूटिंग
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है
Thank you, madam.
अरे क्या काढलं
ओके I'm done. चलो. What is he doing? Be in touch.
Especially because of Pangu and Manavati. Please,
Thank you.
thank you. I appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thank you. Nice meeting you, Mirza.
his aunt,
Oh.
Choti Masi. You should just say hi to her.
I will. Nice meeting you again. See you. Bye.
Where's the Mr. Powder for your ambassador?